Hi, I'm Danae Shanti, and I am so happy to be able to share my guides with you. Their name is THEA. They're the Guides for Embodied Ascension. THEA has been teaching online since July topics to help us navigate these unprecedented times. This month, in August, we're looking at navigating the fear. There's a lot of fear arising personally and collectively on the planet right now with everything we're going through. So THEA is giving a class on how to navigate the fear by creating clear and strong energy boundaries for our minds, our emotions, our bodies, and even in our relationships. Every Sunday evening, starting on August 9th, there'll be a video posted at 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time with a topic. On August 9th, week 1, the topic is Boundary Insights for High Stimulation Times and Sensitive People. Week 2, August 16th, Moving Anger, Fear, Outrage, and Pain. Week 3, the 23rd, Learning to Unfreeze and Flow when Overwhelmed. And week 4 on the 30th, How to Bridge the Known to the Unknown in Your Life. Each video will give specific exercises for you to work with, and then there'll be a follow-up live question and answer on Thursday evenings at 7 Mountain Standard Time, where we can deepen into the practices that THEA is offering us. You'll find these teachings from this class on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So join me. THEA is bringing a new operating system for a new world through us. They're calling this the Embodied Ascension Tool Kit. Join me in August, and I'll look forward to learning alongside you. Thanks. See you around.